going to see Secure Socket. I'm your host Akshay, and today we are going to see Secure Socket Layer in my CNIS seminar. The contents which I am going to cover is what is Secure Socket Layer, how does it works, need for Secure Socket Layer, some basic terminologies, how to generate and enable Secure Socket Layer or HTTPS on your website, the types of SSL certificates, and even I am going to show you how we can install a free SSL certificate on your website. What is Secure Socket Layer? An SSL certificate is by far the best and the easiest solution to secure websites and the data transmitted through them from getting stolen or hacked. In layman's terms, it secures a website with encryption. Basically, there are three keys which is used to establish an SSL connection, which are nothing but public keys, private keys and session keys. Anything which is encrypted with the public key can be decrypted with the matching private key and vice versa. How does SSL works? Now suppose if I want to buy a smartphone from Amazon.com, but by mistake if I see an ad or I go through a particular link to buy a smartphone to another website which is Amazon.com, which is not secured, which site has not implemented SSL certificate on it, and I do the transaction to buy the smartphone. So what happens is the particular vendor or the site takes my financial details or all the banking details which I provide to them, then they illegally try to use those details, which causes a phishing attack, which is nothing but again a cyber crime. Now I am going to explain how does HTTPS works through diagram. Firstly, we can see here I am trying to access a website. The website name or the domain name which I am entering is nothing but the IP address for that website. Then whenever I am entering the domain name, it tries to check the DNS records from the hosting provider. If the records are found similar, then it requests for the web host to secure and to establish a secure SSL connection for the visitor and the web host. Then it responds with a valid SSL certificate and secures the SSL connection, and then it is established. The need for SSL certificate. Basically, SSL certificates provides your data, it affirms your identity, and it is also used for better search engine optimization, which is nothing but search engine rankings or Google rankings. It also helps you to satisfy PCI DSS requirements, which is nothing but it helps you to satisfy the online transactions requirement. Then it obviously improves the customer's trust. CSR, CA bundle, private key, SSL certificate. These are the basic terminologies which is used while SSL certificate generation or the process. CSR, which is nothing but certificate signing request, is one of the first step towards getting your own SSL certificate, which is generated on the same server which we plan to install our certificate on. The CSR contains information, obviously the information about your organization, your name, country, every detail we enter. The certificate authority CA will use it to create a digital certificate or SSL certificate. It also contains the private key that will be included in your certificate and is signed with the corresponding public key. Okay, CSR can be generated using CSR generator tool, which will be available on certificate authority on your server manager or on your control manager, whatever you call it. We have to fill out the correct information during CSR generation process. Certificate authority. A CA is an entity that is trusted to sign or issue or distribute or revoke any digital certificate. Basically, VeriSign, Comodo, Rapid SSL, GeoTrust, Symantec, Hathway, etc. There are many CA available on the internet. They play a majority of functions, but the two main functions which they play are: it verifies the identity of the applicant, which means with the digital certificate you can ensure that entities, website or companies or individuals which we try to access, and it proves whether who they are really they are, and it binds a public key to an entity. It encrypts the data transferred between two systems so that data can only be interpreted by the intended receiver. Now most of us have this curiosity, like how we can generate SSL certificate. So firstly, we have to buy SSL certificate from a CA authority, which or any other vendor or reseller, whichever is available on the internet, to enable HTTPS on your website. After, we can get any type of SSL certificate according to our needs. Once we adopt an SSL certificate, the very next step is to generate CSR and private key, which will be available on certificate authorities or on your control panel or on your server manager. We have to generate this CSR and private key, and we have to save it on your local server or local drive. Once the domain name and business has been verified by the CA, the certificate is ready to be installed on the server, and hence after installation, after doing few steps, we can enable the HTTPS, which is nothing but the secure connection can be established. Now, how to enable HTTPS? Firstly, we have to we must have a dedicated web hosting with a dedicated IP address. Then we have to buy a certificate, activate it by entering CSR and private key. Then we have to install the certificate on your server manager or control panel, and then update your site to force it to use HTTPS. Then anyone who accesses with your domain name must access the site with HTTPS with SSL, secure SSL connection. Basically, there are three types of SSL certificates. The first is domain validated SSL. Now, website secured with domain validated SSL certificate will only display HTTPS with a green padlock. You can see the image right next to it, and we can see here there is only green padlock, which shows we have secure HTTPS connection. The next is organization validated SSL. If a website secured with OVSSL certificate will display HTTPS with a green padlock, but after clicking on that green padlock, it will also display the information which is given in the website seal. Now, the third type of certificate is extended validated SSL. Website secured with OV certificate will only display HTTPS, but along with EVSSL, it will show green address bar in your website seal. We can see here right next to it that we can see the company name PayPal in EV valid SSL. Now, the steps to install free SSL certificate on your website. For this, I am going to give you a live demo of how you can install a free SSL certificate on your website. Firstly, you have to go on ssl4free.com. Then we have to enter our website's name to generate the SSL certificate, which for this I have created a subdomain on my site to give you a live demo, which the domain name of that site is ssldemo.crayonsolutions.com. Now here I have to click on create free SSL certificate. It will take some time, it depends on machine to machine. Now here I have to click on manual verification so that I can upload few files to verify whether the SSL certificate which I want to generate is matching with my server requirements or not. Then again I will have to click here on manually verify domain. It takes few seconds to generate verification files. The first step is to download the verification file which is given here. I will just click on it. It will generate. Now we can see here that a file is generated. Then we have to go to our cPanel. We have to go to file manager. In public directory. Now I have to search for my subdomain, which is nothing but SSL demo. Here, if you haven't created this .well -known folder, then you have to just create it. After creating that folder, we have to create another folder which is nothing but acme-challenge. Here I will have to upload the file to verify to generate the SSL certificate for my website. I will just drag drop that file, and I will now we can see that the file is uploaded. I will go back to my folder. I can see the file which I have downloaded from sslforfree.com is uploaded here. Now to verify successfully, I have to click on the given link below. I will just click on it and it will show. Just a second, it has another name here. I will have to rename it. I will just remove this. Yeah. Now I will click on that link again. Just a second. Let's see now. Yeah, the error has gone. This is the text which is mentioned in that file. Now it means that I can successfully generate an SSL certificate for sure from this site. Now I will click download SSL certificate. It will generate a CA bundle private key which I will have to upload it on my server. And to generate an SSL certificate, it may take a few minutes if the computer is slow. Let's see how much time it takes. We can see that the certificate file is created. Now it generates three files: the SSL certificate, a private key, and CA bundle. To upload this certificate on my web host or on my server, I will just have to copy these files to there. Firstly, I will have to go to my control panel, slide down, and I have to go here. I have to open SSL/TLS. Then I have to install. I have to click on install and manage SSL for your website, which is nothing but HTTPS. Then I will click on manage SSL sites. Here I have to select my domain name for which I have generated my SSL certificate. I will just select ssldemo.crayonsolutions.com. Now here I will have to paste all the files which are generated on SSL certificate sslforfree.com. Now first I will copy the certificate file. I will just copy and paste it here. I have pasted it here. Then again I will have to copy the private key and CA bundle in this following fields, and at last the CA bundle. After copying this, I have to click on install certificate. you can see that the SSL website is now active and accessible via HTTPS on this domain. Click OK to reload this page. OK. You can see here that the SSL certificate is now installed. Now I will go to my site ssldemo.crayonsolutions.com. You can see here that it has I have accessed this site with HTTP but not with HTTPS. I will show it again. http://ssldemo.crayonsolution.com. We can see here that the site is not secured, but when I try to access it with https://ssldemo.crayonsolution.com, I can see the site has installed a SSL certificate, and I can see there is a green padlock which says connection is secured. Now we will go to our presentation. I will continue with my presentation. These are the steps for which you can go through to install and verify manual SSL certificate for your site for free. Bibliography. I have referred to this site, which are nothing but crayonsolution.com, which is my site, SSL for free, about SSL, and google.com. Summary. An SSL or secure socket layer is an encryption technology employed by websites to secure the connection between the site and their visitors. The most widespread use of SSL is to secure pages where users are expected to submit sensitive information like credit card numbers or login details. SSL encryption is especially useful for e-commerce websites as it helps them to build trust with the customers. And finally, you can get a free SSL certificate from sslforfree.com. Now, if you want any further information, or if you have any queries, please feel free to contact me. Here is my contact number, here is my email ID, and you can even visit my site and try to contact me. Thank you. I am Akshay, roll number 4, SYMCA, KK College.